Step 1. Place the hair in a centre parting, take sections of hair and layer up Cloud9 Magical Potion and Amplify Spray. Apply a liberal amount of product because you want to achieve dramatic texture. So layering up product will do this for you. Step 2. Once all the hair has been saturated with product, twist the hair into sections away from the face, and using the Airshot hairdryer with the diffuser on, diffuse the hair all the way through, encouraging natural bends and texture in the hair. Step 3. Using the waving wand, hold the wand vertically and detail any areas of hair where you want any more movement or texture. I am rotating the wand back and forth, so there is no wand marks and it has a really natural feel to the hair. Step 4, continue all the way with random sections of hair. Just make sure the front 2 sections are waved away from the face and not onto the face. Step 5, use oil on dry hair and scrunch the oil in. This will give ultimate beachy, gritty texture. Step 6, scrunch in hairspray and create hold.